Good morning, dear students. Welcome to my channel Maths with Mahanti sir. Children, in the last class I was discussing the problems of your brain teaser of the chapter your what? Exponent and radical. We had completed up to number 6. Let us complete the rest of the question. Number 7, you see there is an exponential equation. See, 4 to the power x minus 4 to the power x minus 1 equal to 24. What will be the value of x? Find the value of x which will satisfy this exponential equation. How to solve it? Let us see. Now, as we know, to solve any exponential equation, we have to make the base same in both the sides, that is LHS and RHS. So, how to do this? Let this be constant. Now, 4 to the power x minus 1 can be written as 4 to the power x by 4 to the power 1 equal to 24. Now, see, 4 to the power x can be taken common, take it. So, what will be left here? 1, and what will be left here? 1 by 4 equal to 24. Now you subtract, take the difference of these two, it will be 3 by 4. So 3 by 4 into 4 to the power x will be 24. Now what will be 4 to the power x? First you find out. So 4 to the power x will be 24 divided by 3 by 4. That means 24 into 3 by 4. 24 divided by 3 by 4. Divided 3 by 4 means into 4 by 3. Into 4 by 3. So it will be how much? It will be 32. Because 24 by 3 is 8. 8 into 4 is 32. Okay. So 4 to the power x is 32. Now we have to make the base same both sides. How to make? This 4 to the power x can be written as 2 to the power 2x. Because 4 means 2 to the power 2 whole to the power x, which is 2 to the power 2x. And 32 means it is 2 to the power 5. So 2x. Now see, look at the base is same both the sides. So when base is same, the exponent will also be same. That means 2x will be 5. Therefore, x will be 5 by 2. This will be the solution. This value of x will satisfy the given exponential equation. Now, we will discuss the HOTS and enrichment question. See, in the HOTS it is given, you see, another question. What is the question? Evaluate, you see, 6 to the power minus 1, look at. Minus 8 to the power minus 1, then plus 2 to the power minus 1, minus 3 to the power minus 1. Oh yes, here also there is another minus 1 is there power. Whole to the power minus 1. Now see, how to evaluate this one? How to evaluate this exponential expression? See, now 6 to the power minus 1, it is negative exponent, first you change it into positive. Similarly, this will be 1 by 8 whole to the power minus 1. Again, this is 1 by 2 when changed into positive exponent, minus this will be 1 by 3 whole to the power minus 1. Okay. Now what is the next step? The next step is you take the LCM, subtract the 2. What is the LCM of 6 and 8? I think you know. 2, 3, 2, 4, 24. 24 will be the LCM of 6 and 8. Now 24 by 6 is 4. 24 by minus 3, you see. Minus 1 exponent. Similarly, here the LCM is 6. 6 by 2 is 3. 3 into 1, 3. 6 by 3, 2. 2 into 1, 2 into 1 is 2. See. To the power minus 1. Now see. This will be 1 by 24. To the power minus 1. Power minus 1 means it is the reciprocal. Reciprocal of 1 by 24. Similarly, this will be the reciprocal of 1 by 6. You know what is the reciprocal of 1 by 24? What will be the reciprocal of 1 by 24? 24 itself. Because reciprocal of a number means the numerator and denominator position changes. So it is 24, it is 6. See, the answer will be 30. Okay? So, if you evaluate, the answer will be 30. Now, let us discuss the next question. What is the next question given? Let us see. The next question is, if you see, you are given 3 to the power x minus 1 equal to 9 and 4 to the power y plus 2 equal to 64. You see, find the value of y by x minus x by y. See, what will be the value? Let us see. Okay. You are given 3 to the power x minus 1, 9. Y to the power 4 to the power y plus 2, 64. So what will be the value of this expression? How to find out? To find out, first you solve this one, find the value of x. Then you solve this exponential equation, find the value of y. After finding the values of x and y, put here in the expression. You will get the answer. Okay. Now how to solve this one? Let us solve this one. You see. So it will be 3 to the power x minus 1 equal to 9 means it is 3 to the power 2. So now the base is same. So x minus 1 will be equal to 2. Now what will be x? X will be 2 plus 1, that is 3. Similarly, now let us solve this one. Now let us solve this second equation, second exponential equation. It will be 4 to the power y plus 2 and 64 will be 4 to the power 3. Okay, now the base is same both the sides. So y plus 2 will be equal to 3. You see, y plus 2 will be equal to 3. This is a linear equation. You solve it and get the value of y. So y will be equal to 3 minus 2. That is 1. So you see, now we got the value of x and y. We can easily find. Therefore, what will be the value of this expression? Y by x minus x by y. In place of y you put 1. In place of x you put 3. 1 y by x and x by y. X by y means it is 3 by 1. So 1 by 3 minus 3 by 1. So what will be? Take the LCM 3. It is 1 minus 9. So what will be the answer? Minus 8 by 3. So the value of y by x minus x by y will be minus 8 by 3. Children, I hope you understood how it is to be solved. Now let us discuss. There are some enrichment questions. So what are the enrichment questions? Let us see. These are hot questions. Hot and enrichment, these are very important because they are difficult. As they are difficult, they involve a lot of critical thinking. In this type of question, children generally have to apply their thinking ability. If you do not apply, if you do not think critically, you cannot solve this type of question. See, the enrichment question is what? If 9 to the power, see, 9 to the power x into 3 to the power 2 into x to the power into 3 to the power minus x by 2 whole to the power minus 2. This is a very big one, you see, equal to 1 by 27. See, this is given 9 to the power x into 3 to the power 2 into 3 to the power minus x by 2 whole to the power minus 2, and its value is given 1 by 27. So how to get x? How to get x? Let us see. See, this is a very big one. Now see, in order to solve this type of exponential equation, children, what we will do? See, look at the base is 9 here, and in these two terms the base is 3, and here no base is there, it is only 1 by 27. We have to, that means to solve any exponential equation, the first process, the first thing is we have to make the base same both sides. Okay, now let us break this one. See, this 9 can be written as 3 to the power 2, that means it will be 3 to the power 2x, because x will again be multiplied by 2 into 3 to the power 2 into, see this one, when you omit this bracket, minus x by 2 will be multiplied by minus 2. To omit this bracket, this minus x by 2 will be multiplied by minus 2. So minus minus plus and 2 cancel. So 3 to the power minus x by 2 into minus 2, which will be equal to, see, this is 1 by 27 can be written as 1 by 3 to the power 3. See, so now 2 cancel. See, 3 base is same. So 3 to the power 2x plus 2. Now add the two powers because the base is same. Into, this is minus minus plus, it is 3 to the power x. And this will be equal to 1 by 3 to the power 3, means it will be 3 to the power minus 3. Because it is positive exponent, you change it into negative exponent. So it will become 3 to the power minus 3. 1 by 3 to the power 3 will become 3 to the power minus 3. Now see, again in the left side the two bases are same, 3 and 3, it is same. So the two powers will also be added. That means it will be 3 to the power 2x plus 2 plus x, which is equal to 3 to the power minus 3. See, now 2x plus x is how much? 3x. So 3 to the power 3x plus 2. See, 3 to the power 3x plus 2 equal to 3 to the power minus 3. Look at children. Now the left side and right hand side, they contain the same base. Now their bases. The base of LHS and RHS has become same. Okay. So as the base is same both sides, what will happen to their exponent? Their exponent will also be same. That means 3x plus 2 will be equal to minus 3. You see. So 3x plus 2 will be equal to minus 3. Now which is a linear equation in one variable. If you solve it, you will get the value of x. Okay. So 3x equal to minus 3 minus 2, it is minus 5. Look at. So 3x is minus 5. 3x is minus 5. So what will be x? X will be minus 5 by 3. See. So the value of x will be minus 5 by 3. If you solve this, then x will be equal to minus 5 by 3. Children, I hope you understood whatever I discussed. We will discuss more. With this we came to the end of the chapter, that is exponent and radical. I completed almost all problems of this chapter, including brain teaser, HOTS and enrichment. Okay, so with this we came to the end of this chapter. We will discuss some other chapter in the next class. Children, if you think that whatever I am explaining is very useful, you are able to understand it properly, then I must say that you please hit the like button and subscribe my channel, so that I will be encouraged to discuss more and more things. I mean more and more problems from different exercises in my upcoming classes. Okay, so we will again meet in the next class with the discussion of problems, I mean worksheets or exercises of some other chapter, new chapter, that is direct and inverse proportion or variation. We will discuss it in the next class. Okay, thank you.